Hi, my dear students. Today we will discuss about universal gates. In our previous classes, we learned about fundamental gates. Then we learned that there are three fundamental gates: and, or, and not. Okay? Three fundamental gates. Three fundamental gates. Three fundamental gates: not, or, and. Okay, so to design a logic circuit, we need logic gates. We can use three fundamental gates to construct a logic circuit. Okay. Now in this lecture we will learn about universal gates. Okay. Two universal gates. Universal gates. Okay. Universal gates. NOR, NAND. These two gates are called universal gates because we can construct any fundamental gate using these universal gates. Okay? These gates are called universal. Why? Because we can construct fundamental gates using NOR gate or NAND gate. Okay, so if you have an IC with NOR gates, you can construct any logic circuit using that IC. Because simply using NOR gate, you can construct any logic circuit. Similarly, if you have an IC with NAND gates, you can construct any logic circuit using that IC. Because you have a NAND gate. Okay, so using NOR or NAND, you can construct any fundamental gates. So these gates are called universal gates. Okay, universal gates. Now we can learn detail about these NOR and NAND gates. Okay. First one is NOR gate. NOR gate. Okay. NOR gate is also called NOT OR gate. Okay. NOR gate. NOR gate is the abbreviation of NOT OR. Okay. NOR gate is the abbreviation of NOT OR. So, if you invert the output of OR gate, it is called NOR gate, not OR gate. So, what's its symbol? Its symbol. Right here. Symbol. NOR gate is a gate with two inputs. Okay. Two inputs and one output, and this is not OR gate. So OR gate with a bubble. Okay, this is the symbol of NOR gate. Okay, so in this symbol itself you can see that there are two inputs A and B and one output Y. Okay, but here after this ORing there is an inversion. The inversion is shown as bubble. Okay, so this is called y equal to A or B complement. Not or operation. Not or operation. Nor operation. Okay, this is the symbol. If you want to implement this circuit using fundamental gates, you need OR and inverter, not together. This is equivalent to the circuit. Okay, so here A, B, you have here A plus B and here Y equal to A or B complement. Okay, these are same. This is the symbol. This is using fundamental gates OR and NOT. So this is the NOT gate or not OR gate or NOR gate. Okay, this is the symbol. OR with a bubble is the symbol. This is implemented like this. OR gate with an inverter. Okay, A or B or complement, or it is called NOT OR operation. Okay, NOT OR truth table. Since this NOR gate has two inputs, your truth table has two square rows. Okay, two square rows or four rows. So A and B are the inputs and Y is the output. A, B and Y. Okay. Now we can write the four combinations here. First case, both are low, 0, 0. Then one input is low, the other one is high, 0, 1, 1, 0, then 1, 1. Okay. These are the different combinations of the input. Now you can write its corresponding output here. You know that if both inputs are low, 0, you get here 0 and you want to invert it again, so you have 1. So here 1. Similarly, if this is 0 and this is 1, you get here 1, then you get noted it, so you have 0 here. 0, 0. So, what is the peculiarity of this NOR gate? If both inputs are low, it has high output. Otherwise, 0. That is the peculiarity of NOR gate. Okay? Both inputs are low. Both inputs are low. Output is high. Otherwise 0 always. Okay, low always. Low output. Otherwise low output. Okay, this is the word description of this NOR gate. If both inputs are low, we have high output. All other cases you get low output. This is about NOR gate. Okay. Now we have to check some similarity between our fundamental gates. Okay. For example, you have to check the bubbled AND gate. Okay. I can write here the circuit. Bubbled AND gate. Bubbled AND gate. Okay, bubbled AND gate means if the input of the AND gate is inverted, it is called bubbled AND gate. Okay, that means you know that there are two inputs for the AND gate, A and B. Okay, and these inputs are bubbled. bubble and gate. Okay, this bubble represents NOT operation. We already learned it because here you can see that in the output of this OR gate we put a bubble here. Okay, this bubble represents this NOT gate. Similarly, if this bubble appears in the input, it represents an inversion operation at the input. Okay, so this bubble AND gate represents A complement and B complement. Okay, A complement and B complement inverted. Now you can check this truth table of this bubble AND gate. Okay. Truth table of bubble AND gate. Bubble AND gate. Here also you can see that there are two inputs. So combinations are 4 rows. There we have only 4 rows. Okay, A, B, Y. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, these are the combinations. Now what happens? This is bubble AND gate. So 0 bubbled. So 1. Here also 0 bubbled 1. So 1 and 1, 1. What happens here? 0 bubbled, you have 1. 1 bubbled, you have 0. 1 and 0, 0 again. What happens here? This one goes to 0, this one goes to 1, and you have again 0. Both are low. This one becomes 0, this one becomes 0, 0 and 0, 0. What do you get now? You have truth table of bubbled AND gate. Okay? You have truth table of OR gate, NOR gate. Similarly, truth table of bubbled AND gate. Looking these two truth tables, you can see that both these truth tables are same. Okay, if two logic circuits have same truth table, it means that they are same circuit. Okay, so here this bubble AND gate and NOR gate have same truth table. So what we have to conclude? We can conclude that both are same. Okay, so NOR gate is equal to bubbled AND gate. Okay, bubbled and NOR gate also known as bubbled AND gate. Okay, so NOR gate is also known as bubbled AND gate. That means if you want to write this NOR gate as A or B whole complement, it is equivalent to write A complement and B complement. Okay, that means A or B whole complement equal to A complement and B complement. Okay, we can box it like this. NOR gate is equivalent to bubbled AND gate. This is also known as De Morgan's first law. De Morgan's first law. So you can replace NOR gate with bubbled AND gate or bubbled AND gate with NOR gate. Okay, depending on the availability of IC or gates, you can use any one of these circuits interchangeably. This is called interchangeability. Okay, so a NOR gate is equivalent to bubbled AND gate. Because if you write the truth table of these two circuits, NOR gate and the bubbled AND gate, both truth table are same. If any circuits have same truth table, it means that all of them represent same process, same operation. Okay, so you can use any one of the circuit. Which one is more Now, the TTL circuit for the NOR gate is called IC7402. IC7402. It is actually a 14-pin IC. As usual, its 7th pin is grounded and 14th pin is power supply VCC. Then there are 4 NOR gates in that IC. Okay, this is the TTL circuit of this NOR gate. Now, I can draw here the pin diagram of the NOR gate just for your laboratory requirements. For that, IC 7402. Okay, IC 7402. So its pin diagram looks like this, and there are 14 pins. Seventh pin is grounded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is ground. This 14th pin is plus VCC. And now here 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. These are the pins. And here the 2 and 3 are the inputs of the NOR gate. So like this, the slight difference from your earlier circuits. Like this. Okay. This is the NOR gate here. 4th one is the output. And 6th and 5th are the inputs, like this. When it reaches here also, you have here 10th pin is your output, like this. Here also, this is the output. Okay, this is IC 7402. IC 7402. Okay, these are the pin diagram of IC 7402 NOR gate. In this TTL circuit, you have 4 or NOR gates like this, NOT OR gate. Okay, so then we already discussed that these NOR gates are called universal gates. So we can construct any gate from this NOR gate. Now we want to prove it. How can we construct all the fundamental gates using this NOR gate? Okay, that is what I want to discuss next. For that, first, inverter or NOT gate. NOT gate using NOR. Okay, these are all about NOR. NOT gate using NOR. So we already learned that NOT gate has only one input. At the same time, we learned that NOR gate has at least 2 inputs. NOT gate using NOR gate. Okay, so we want to short one of the inputs. That means, suppose this is the input A, then you have to give the same input to both inputs of the NOR gate. Okay. Now you can see that here only one input A. This input is given to both the inputs of the gate. So if A is low, that means A is 0, you get here 0 NOR 0. That means 0 or 0 0, then it gets inverted, you get here high or 1. That means if A is 0, you have output 1. Similarly, if A is 1, you have here 1 or 1, 1 or 1, 1, then it gets inverted, so you get 0. So if you give here 0, you have 1. If you give here 1, you have 0. So this circuit behaves like NOT gate. Okay, so this is the inverter circuit or NOT gate constructing using NOR gate. Okay. Now the second fundamental gate. The second one is OR gate, right? OR gate. So OR gate. I think I can write the truth table here. Here there are only, in this case, if you give here 0, you have 1. If you give here 1, you have 0. Right? This is the truth table. This is the truth table of NOT gate also. Now OR gate. In this case, what we want to do? We have NOR gate. NOR gate means OR gate with NOT gate. So if you cancel out this NOT's invert operation, you get OR gate. Okay, so I am drawing the NOR gate circuit like that. The first circuit is NOR gate itself like this. Okay, this is the NOR gate A, B. Now what we want to do? Now if this NOR gate is using again in its input just like inverter like this, this acts like OR gate because this is an inverter, you learned it here. Actually here an inversion in its output. If there is one more inverter, these two inverters cancels out, you get OR gate. Okay, you can check it here actually. A, B and Y. 0, 0. You look here. 0 or 0. Okay. If you go like this 0, 0, you know that this is NOT gate. If both inputs are low, you have here high. Okay. Here high means if it passes through this inverter again, this high goes to 0. Okay. So you have here 0. Now 0 and 1. A is 0 and B is 1. Now what happens? 0 NOR 1. 0 NOR 1 means 1 inverted, 0. So here 0. 0 get inverted again, you have 1 here. If you have 1 0, again you get 1 here. Now if you have both 1 or NOR 1. 1 NOR 1 means if 1 or 1 it is 1. You have to invert it, so you get here 0. 0 is inverted again inside this, so you get again high or 1. So you have here high, high, high. This is the truth table of OR gate. Okay. So this circuit behaves like OR gate. So if you need OR gate but you have only the TTL circuit of IC 7402, you can construct OR gate using two NOR gates like this. Okay. Now we want to know how to construct AND gate. Okay. AND gate. Now, how can we construct AND gate using NOR gate? What we want to do now? Okay. So, we already learned that NOR gate is equivalent to bubbled AND gate. Right? Bubbled AND gate means inversion at the input terminals. If you cancel out this inversion, you have AND gate, right? So, I show you here, this is A, this is B, these are the two inputs. Now, before it entering to the NOR gate means bubbled AND gate, okay? I want to invert this one. So, here I put a NOR gate like this. Similarly one here. Okay, now what happens? Now I can put here another NOR gate. This circuit behaves just like AND gate. You can check it now here, the truth table. Truth table. That means A, B and Y. Suppose A and B are low. A is low, B is low. If A is low, when it passes through this inverter, it is high here. And when it passes through here, here is also high. High or no high. Then what happens? This output is low. So you have here low. Okay? So low here. Okay. Similarly, you can check other options also. 0, 1. If A is 0, you have here 1. If B is 1, you have here 0. 1 nor 0. 1 nor 0 means 1 inverted 0. 0 again. Similarly, 1, 0. If you give here 1, here it is 0. If you give here 0, here it is 1. 0 nor 1, you get output as 0. Okay? And finally, if you give high and high, 1 and 1. If both are high, here both are low. If the input of the NOR gate is low, its output is always high. So you get here high. What about this one? This truth table is the truth table of AND gate. Okay, that means if you use 3 NOR gates like this, you can use this as equivalent to AND gate. Okay, that means you can construct any fundamental gate AND or NOT using NOR gates. By simply using NOR gate. So NOR gate is a universal gate. Okay, so means that NOR gate is one of the universal gate. One of the universal gate. NOR gate is one of the universal gates. Okay, one of the universal Okay? So, now we can move on to the second universal gate. That